Hello gorgeous people, you're welcome back again to my channel and compliments of the season to you all. Today I'll be showing you this simple Christmas DIY and the materials are listed on the screen. As you can see, I printed out this on a thick paper or embossed paper, and what I'll be doing is just to cut it out. When I was done cutting it out, I just labeled it white, red till I got to the end so you don't get confused, okay? And again, I just connected those points so that I don't also miss it. So now we are going to start the main DIY. So first I applied my glue. So if you have any kind of paper glue, it will work. And here is my cotton wool. I just like spread it like that. Where it also depends on what you want. If you want it to be very thick, you can add more cotton wools, but I just put this quantity. When I was done, I went to the next layer. I wrote W. So I put the white cotton wool. So this is how I will do it till I get to the end. Okay. Here is how this looks for now. So the next is to proceed to the layers. I wrote R, which symbolizes red. So I have my tissue, which I'll be folding into 4. I'll keep folding it till I have a very small size. Then after doing that, I will just use my scissors to cut it out. Here looks a bit technical, so kindly look closely and see how I achieved the design. So I just wrapped the paper around the base of my pencil, then I placed it on the thick paper. So it's going to stay depending on how you do it. You can see, so you just keep doing it till you can fill that layer up with the red tissue. The fuller it is, the better and the more beautiful it will look. Okay, so this took a while, but trust me, the process is interesting. This is how it should look when you are done. People have different names they call this candy cane. Some call it Jcandy, but whichever way you choose is fine. Well, if you are new to this channel, you are most welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so that you don't miss out on my amazing videos. Compliments of the season to you once again. And don't also forget the reason for the season. Let's give, let's pray, let's love. And also, I'm wishing you a prosperous new year ahead. So you can try this DIY out and use it to spice up your Christmas tree. I'm sure you will love it. You can do any size you want. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. It totally depends on your preference. It's now time to attach the yarn. What I did was to use my scissors to bore a hole there, after which I passed it through, I knotted it, then I trimmed off the excess yarn. So here is how it looks. This is me hanging it on my Christmas tree. So beautiful. You can actually do many of these and place them on your Christmas tree. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.